A black student's family sues Texas officials over his suspension for hairstyle. Houston, the family of a black high school student in Texas on Saturday filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the state's governor and attorney general over his ongoing suspension by his school district for his hairstyle. Darryl George, 17, a junior at Barbers Hill High School in Mont Belvieu, has been serving an in-school suspension since August 31 at the Houston area school. School officials say his dreadlocks fall below his eyebrows and earlobes and violate the district's dress code. George's mother, Darresha George, and the family's attorney deny the teenager's hairstyle violates the dress code, saying his hair is neatly tied in twisted dreadlocks on top of his head. The lawsuit accuses Governor Greg Abbott and Attorney General Ken Paxton of failing to enforce the Crown Act, a new state law outlawing racial discrimination based on hairstyles. Darryl George's supporters allege the ongoing suspension by the Barbers Hill Independent School District violates the law, which took effect September 1. The lawsuit alleges Abbott and Paxton, in their official duties, have failed to protect Darryl George's constitutional rights against discrimination and against violations of his freedom of speech and expression. Darryl George should be permitted to wear his hair in the manner in which he wears it, because the so-called neutral grooming policy has no close association with learning or safety and when applied, disproportionately impacts black males, according to the lawsuit. The lawsuit, filed in Houston Federal Court by Darryl George's mother, is the latest legal action taken related to the suspension. On Tuesday, Darresha George and her attorney filed a formal complaint with the Texas Education Agency, alleging Darryl George is being harassed and mistreated by school district officials over his hair and that his in-school suspension is in violation of the Crown Act. They allege that during his suspension, Darryl George is forced to sit for 8 hours on a stool and that he's being denied the hot free lunch he's qualified to receive. The agency is investigating the complaint.